Hello, this is Yonggang Wu. Welcome to another tutorial of Labii ELN and LIMS. Today I'm going to show you how to convert chemical formats with Open Babel. First, let's add a section with Open Babel. Once added, you will see the two parts of windows. On the left is the input window, on the right is the output window. To use it, you can first configure the input format. I'm going to use the smells as default, and then just configure the output format. I'm going to choose the fingerprint format. And then click Submit. In just a few seconds, the output is being created. You can copy it, or you can click Download to download this document. This widget supports all chemical formats currently available. That's it. Please don't forget to subscribe.